Did you know that adding Clorox bleach in your flower vase water can keep your fresh flower fresh longer? So this is what I have observed.
Today is like a chapter in a book you're writing, and you decide the way it goes. We hope it's gonna be exciting, but only you can know. Oh,
Did you know that the regular Clorox bleach or a baking soda can help you keep your fresh flowers in your flower vase fresh longer? So this is what I have observed. So I have been cutting fresh flowers from my garden because I have a lot of fresh flowers in my garden. I have some different flowers in my garden, and sometimes I want to put some fresh flowers in my vases inside the house. So I have observed that it's wilting for like 3 days only. So I researched on how to keep fresh cut flowers in our vases. So I have read about this Clorox, putting Clorox bleach on the water in your vase. So I have observed it. So what I did is, every time I change the water in my vases, this water has been in my vase for maybe 3 days already. And as you can see, it's still very clean. It looks so clean. So as you can see also, my the stem of my flowers are already white. So they are already white because I have these flowers in my flower vase for like a week already. Yeah. And I have just changed the water once since last week. So as you can see, my the stem of the flowers are already white. I'll show you guys. I'll show you the stem of my flowers. There. There. It looks white, but you can see also that there's no that's usually when our the stem of the flowers are wilted, they usually have that slimy thing here. So this one, as I have observed, it doesn't have that bad smell or that funky smell, and it's clean. The stems are clean. There, they are clean. It's just white, but it's clean, or it just turned pale, but it's clean. There. And I have these flowers in my vase for um yeah, more than a week already. Yeah. See, as you can see, they are still fresh and beautiful. There. Some of these are drying already. I have to remove this. I have this for uh, maybe 2 weeks already, and this one is starting to dry. But look at the stem, it's still fresh. But they are starting to dry, so I'm gonna remove it here, and maybe I'll cut some more fresh flowers. But here, this one are also a week old in my flower vase. There. So this even the leaves stay fresh. They don't get wilted. There. And as you can see, the water, I usually put these tiny pebbles, or these are really the real rocks or pebbles. There, I pick it from our yard and clean it. There, and as you can see, the water is really clean. There. So that is my observation of using Clorox. So what I do is every time I change my water in my flower vase, I just put a few drops of Clorox in my water. And yeah, it's true that the Clorox can prolong the freshness of your flowers in your flower vase. So I have tried also putting baking soda in my flower vase water, but in my observation, based on my observation, Clorox bleach makes the water stay fresh longer than using baking soda. So that's it for today, my friends. Hope I had helped you in keeping your fresh flowers fresh longer in your flower vase. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share if you can, I would appreciate that. And hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now, and God bless us all.